Welcome back to my channel. Tired of thin, weak, and lifeless hair? Discover the one powerful butter that combines ancient herbs and natural oils to give you rapid hair growth, unstoppable shine, and thick, healthy strands, all from your kitchen. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon hibiscus powder, 1 teaspoon rosemary powder, 1/2 teaspoon cloves powder, 5 to 6 drops rosemary, lavender, or peppermint essential oil. Now that you've seen the ingredients, let's explore why this blend is so powerful, and how to prepare it correctly using a gentle method that preserves all its nutrients. Hibiscus powder. Rich in amino acids and vitamin C, it stimulates dormant hair follicles and reduces hair fall. Rosemary powder. A time-tested herb that improves blood circulation in the scalp and reactivates thinning areas. Clove powder. Packed with antioxidants, cloves strengthen hair roots and add a natural shine. Olive oil. A deeply penetrating oil that softens, repairs, and protects every strand. Shea butter. An excellent base for hair butters, rich in fatty acids and vitamins A and E, seals moisture and repairs damage. Rosemary, lavender, or peppermint essential oil, choose your favorite. All 3 boost scalp health and promote faster growth. Take a heat-safe bowl and place it over a pot of simmering water. This is the double boiler method, which protects all the delicate nutrients. Add 2 tablespoons of shea butter and let it slowly melt. Once melted, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon hibiscus powder, 1 teaspoon rosemary powder, 1/2 teaspoon clove powder. Stir gently and let the ingredients infuse over low steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat and strain the mixture using a fine cloth or mesh to remove any herbal residue. When the mixture cools slightly, add 5 to 6 drops of your chosen essential oil, rosemary, peppermint, or lavender. Mix well. Store in a clean glass jar. Let it set into a rich, smooth butter. How to use it properly. Massage a small amount into your scalp, using your fingertips to improve circulation. Apply to the hair lengths for softness and strength. Use 2 to 3 times a week as a pre-wash mask or overnight treatment. Wrap your hair in a warm towel for deeper penetration. This butter is a complete hair therapy, simple to make, powerful in results. Forget store-bought creams, your best hair care is homemade. Like this video? Drop a in the comments. Subscribe for more natural remedies that really work. Coming next, DIY hair serum or mask. Tell us what you want. Thank you for watching.